This December, the flag carrier Philippine Airlines launched 4 new destinations. One of these, Cebu, Siargao.
Congratulations, Philippine Airlines. Congratulations, Siargao.
The PAL's new destination are expected to boost local and international tourist arrival in the island of Siargao and leads to economic development.
Bring business here, to bring investments, to bring all kinds of commercial activity that will help uplift our economy. So that's our mission, and we are here to do that.
We have invested also in brand new aircraft. Okay, for the island destinations, we have invested in our Bombardier Q400 new generation aircraft, dual class 86-seater. So we are using these for certain flights out of Cebu. We also have our Q4s and our Q300s. And of course, safety is the cornerstone of our operations. So our passengers, hindi lamang heart of the Filipino service, the warmth, the charm, but also safety. We have the best pilots.
Daghan kayo makitaan sa Siargao. Aside from really the surfing, you must really try the surfing. It's actually the people. The people of Siargao are very open, very caring. We have a very unique foreign community that's already very evolving in Siargao. We have nice nightly parties. We also have very good other sites like Sugba Lagoon, Magpupungko, the waterfalls, the mangrove forest. So there's a lot to see and enjoy in Siargao.
MyTV cameraman Kirby Campo, one of Cebu media personality, to join the scene of flight for Siargao. With his camera, let's witness the beauty of the world-known surfing capital of the Philippines, Siargao. From Siargao Airport, they went to the town of General Luna, facing Pacific Ocean where Cloud9 is located.
Welcome to Cloud9, and yeah, we have a lot of spots here, and we call it the Jacking Horse, and that's the Killer's Child, and that's Quicksilver, and that's Cloud9, the famous city.
Even the foreigners amazed the beauty of the place.
It's been super nice.
What did you do?
What have we done?
We ate a lot, surf lessons,
We went to Daku.
Daku,
That was really beautiful.
beautiful, yeah.
Yeah, so nice.
How are the people?
Wonderful, very hospitable.
Yeah, really friendly. Yeah, super helpful.
There's also place for new surfer. For 500 pesos, you will learn the basic in surfing.
If you want to have surfing lessons, and we have our beginners waves there. Yeah. So most people come here for surfing because we are the capital surfing of the Philippines. So
One of the destination in Magpupungko, located in Del Pilar town. Tourists are advised to be at the area during low tide to experience the rock pool. First-timer local tourists enjoy the pool so much.
We're from Cagayan de Oro City. Ako, first time. First time na matulog.
Yes.
Tsada mo balik-balik.
Meron pa min, ada yung ano. Lingaw, di ka mo nag-activities, then di pa ka mapura. Balik-balik.
Napakaganda po. It's very pretty. But compared to Manila's resorts in Manila, I don't think there's a resort in Manila that looks like this beautiful.
Oh, I see.
Yes po, it's my first time.
For everything.
For everything.
Where's good?
How many times did you come here?
This is my
First time.
I would like to thank Philippine Airlines for inviting us for their inaugural flight, Cebu to Siargao.